Welcome to this vodcast reviewing quickly how to plot points. I don't think this vodcast will take us too long at all. Go ahead and turn to page 85. Page 85 in your packet, please. We're going to do maybe 4 questions together, and then I'll let you practice 2 pages on your own, and I think you'll be in good shape on plotting points. All right, page 85. Very first question. Let me zoom in a little bit here. That's a little too much. It says, which point has the coordinates -2, 5? So the first thing we need to remind ourselves of is, what in the world does this even mean? -2, 5. Well, when we have a point, it always gives us the x coordinate and then the y. And you can remember that because it's alphabetical. X comes before y in the alphabet. So the x tells us that we ought to go left or right, and however much. And then the y tells us how much we would go up or down. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to go left to right, -2. Well, on that left to right x-axis, and again they label it for us so we'll know which one it is, that just means we need to go left 2. So we go 1, 2. We went left 2 from the center. And then 5 in your y, means up 5. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sure enough, we end up at point P. So our correct answer in this case is P. 2 things to watch out for is make sure you always do your left right before you do your up down. And then always be careful about which direction you should go. Let's try another couple. Number 2. What are the coordinates of point Z? Well, we call that letter Z in Canada. In the States, y'all call it Z, but that's all right. So let's find it. Here it is. Well, let's see how it's moved from the middle. It looks like it's gone right, 1, 2, 3, but it hasn't gone up any at all. So it's gone right 3 and not up or down. All right, so let's see how we'd write that. Left and right had to do with x. And since it went right, that would be a +3. For its y, how much did it go up, down? Well, none. So our coordinates would be 3, 0. Or the correct answer would be A. Be really careful with these because some of us might have been tricked and wanted to pick C, 0, 3, but that really means don't go left and right and go 3 up, which is different. Okay, 2 more. Number 3, which point has the coordinates of -5, 0? Well, let's break down what this means. This means we're going to have to go left 5 because it's a negative. And 0 means we do not go up and down, so no up or down. All right, so let's start at the center and go left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up at point U. Last one. What are the coordinates of point K? All right, we always start at the center, 0, 0, and see what do we have to do to get there. Well, it looks like we went left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went left 5, and then we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and then down 5. Okay, let's put that into x, y. Our left and right, we went left 5, so that would be -5, and down 5 would be -5. So that would be at -5, -5, or choice C.